Ah, okay. Maybe we have to, you know, maybe some TV shows bring us peace where we can just calm down. Video games might bring us peace sometimes, depending on what video game though, right? Because some of them might make us a little angry if it doesn't go our way. But sometimes it's a calm down. Yes? Ah, yes. I like that one. That one's a good one for me. Taking a nap. Because sometimes you get home after a Monday at school and you're like, I gotta take a nap. I'm tired. You know, and maybe that's where you calm down. Music. Okay, now we're on the right track. Music, you know, music maybe calms us down. Even if we get like really upset or angry, you know, the peace that music can bring sometimes helps.
Like play by yourself.
Okay, maybe you just say, hey, you know what, I just want to play by myself. Maybe it's Legos. Maybe it's Lincoln Logs. Maybe it's, yeah, so maybe it's just a time for yourself, right? Yeah, so peace is something that you are really good at finding. And you do things to calm yourself down. Now, one of the things that I want to do, and it might be a little difficult today because our rubber bands aren't as thick as they should be.
Picking up a Bible or just praying quietly before worship begins. I find that is a peaceful thing for me. Maybe it's reading a book, taking it into a quiet corner of your house.
What are you writing on your
You're writing something that we can do, just something that's enjoyable to you, that brings you peace. An earthly thing.
The thick rubber band?
On the thick rubber band, yes.
Put it around, loop it through one of the white things, and tie it. That's all. Got it? Pretty simple.
I need
Each string, come get it.
Black Rhinos. seventh grade, I found this bracelet. I had lost all my parents. Really sad. But I found this. It was in my room. I was crying. And I read this, and I gave all my worries, all my sadness. I gave it to God. What do you think he gave me? Love. Immediately when I gave all that to the Lord, I felt a peace in my heart. I was beyond any understanding. Because I knew that I